If you own a Toyota hybrid and regularly park it outside during summer, you could be exposing one of the most expensive components in your vehicle to a condition that slowly reduces its lifespan over time. The key thing most owners never notice is that nothing feels wrong while it's happening. The vehicle still starts normally, drives smoothly, and fuel economy often looks unchanged in the short term. There are no warning signs that clearly point to damage. But over long periods of exposure, heat becomes one of the few environmental factors that can gradually influence hybrid battery health in a meaningful way. Toyota's hybrid systems are built for durability, whether it's a Camry hybrid, RAV4 hybrid, Prius, or newer models using systems like iForce Max. These vehicles are engineered to handle high mileage, heavy traffic, and demanding daily use. However, even with that level of engineering, temperature remains one of the most important limiting factors in long-term battery performance. A hybrid battery naturally generates heat during charging and discharging cycles. Under normal conditions, the cooling system is designed to manage this efficiently, keeping the battery within a stable and safe operating range without any input from the driver. The issue starts when ambient temperatures rise into extreme summer levels. At that point, the cooling system is no longer just maintaining balance, it is continuously working against sustained external heat. This increases how often the battery operates closer to its upper thermal range, especially during repeated stop-and-go driving or after the vehicle has been sitting in a heat-soaked environment. When this becomes a repeated pattern over weeks and months, the battery spends more of its life cycle under less ideal thermal conditions. It doesn't cause immediate failure, but it gradually shifts long-term cell behavior in a way that contributes to faster aging compared to cooler operating environments. And one of the most overlooked ways this begins has nothing to do with driving at all. It starts when the vehicle is parked. Leaving a hybrid sitting in direct sunlight for hours allows heat to build up across the entire vehicle, including the cabin and surrounding systems that indirectly influence how effectively the battery can manage temperature once operation begins. That's where the real issue begins. The impact of summer heat becomes much clearer when you look at what actually happens inside the cabin after a hybrid has been parked in direct sunlight. On a hot day, interior temperatures can rise far beyond the outside air. Even when ambient temperatures are around 90 degrees Fahrenheit, the cabin can quickly reach 130 to 140 degrees or more after sitting for a few hours. This creates a heat-soaked environment that persists even after the vehicle is restarted. For most drivers, this is mainly a comfort issue, but in Toyota hybrids, it also affects how efficiently the thermal management system can operate during the initial drive cycle. That's because many Toyota hybrid systems rely on cabin air as part of the battery cooling process. Instead of drawing air directly from outside, the system pulls air from inside the cabin and routes it through the battery cooling duct to regulate temperature. Under normal conditions, this setup works efficiently because the cabin stays relatively close to ambient temperature while driving. But after extended parking in direct sunlight, the cabin air becomes significantly hotter than the outside environment, and that same air becomes the starting point for battery cooling once the vehicle is turned on. This reduces how quickly the system can bring battery temperatures back into an optimal range during early operation, especially when the vehicle has already been heat-soaked. Toyota engineers account for this by using thermal safeguards such as variable fan speeds and adaptive battery usage strategies. These systems are designed to manage short-term temperature spikes effectively. However, they are not primarily designed to eliminate the long-term effect of repeated daily exposure to extreme cabin heat. This is why parking conditions begin to matter more than most owners realize. The concern is not a single hot afternoon, but the repeated cycle of the cabin reaching extreme temperatures throughout the summer months. Once that pattern becomes consistent, it creates a thermal environment that can be improved significantly with simple preventative habits. Before we continue, if you're enjoying the video, be sure to subscribe and leave a like. Now, let's look at one of the simplest and most effective ways to reduce summer heat inside your Toyota hybrid. One of the most effective ways to reduce summer heat impact on a Toyota hybrid is also one of the simplest and most affordable. A reflective windshield sunshade can significantly reduce how much solar energy enters the cabin while the vehicle is parked. It works by blocking direct sunlight through the windshield, which is the primary entry point for heat buildup inside most vehicles. Without protection, sunlight heats interior surfaces like the dashboard, seats, and steering wheel. Those surfaces then store and slowly release heat, which keeps the cabin temperature elevated even after the sun exposure stops. Over time, this creates a heat-soaked interior that takes longer to recover once the vehicle is started. A sunshade interrupts that process by reflecting a large portion of incoming solar radiation before it enters the cabin. The result is a lower peak cabin temperature and a slower rate of heat buildup during long parking periods. For Toyota hybrid systems, this has a direct downstream benefit on thermal management behavior during startup. Since cabin air is part of the intake path for battery cooling, a cooler cabin means the system begins operation under less thermal stress and can reach stable operating conditions more efficiently. This does not drastically change how the system works, but it reduces how often it has to begin from extreme heat conditions. Over repeated summer cycles, that difference becomes more meaningful because it reduces peak thermal load events rather than eliminating them entirely. The important point is consistency. The benefit of a sunshade is not a one-time improvement, but a repeated reduction in maximum cabin temperature every time the vehicle is parked in the sun. Over a full summer season, that repeated reduction helps limit unnecessary exposure to extreme internal heat levels. And while this addresses the most direct source of heat buildup, there are still other summer-related factors that can influence overall hybrid system performance. Beyond cabin heat, summer conditions also affect how a Toyota hybrid operates in smaller but still important ways. One of the most noticeable is a temporary drop in fuel efficiency. During extreme heat, the air conditioning system works harder to maintain cabin comfort, while the hybrid system increases cooling activity across multiple components. This added workload can slightly reduce miles per gallon during heat waves, which is expected behavior rather than a fault. Another factor is the hybrid battery cooling fan. This system continuously pulls air through the battery to regulate temperature, but during summer months, it can collect dust, debris, and pet hair more quickly. If airflow becomes restricted, the system is less efficient at managing battery temperature under load. Driving habits also play a role. Extended idling with air conditioning running places continuous demand on the hybrid system. While Toyota hybrids are designed to manage engine cycling efficiently, sustained cooling demand increases overall system workload during already high-temperature conditions. Protecting the system during summer comes down to simple consistency. Parking in shaded areas reduces initial heat buildup. A reflective windshield sunshade lowers peak cabin temperatures before the vehicle is even started. Keeping battery vents clear ensures proper airflow to the cooling system. Slightly cracking windows when safe can help release trapped heat. Toyota hybrid systems are engineered for long-term reliability, even in harsh climates. But like any thermal-sensitive system, they perform best when they are not repeatedly exposed to unnecessary heat stress. Extreme temperatures don't usually cause immediate failure, but over time, they influence how hard the system has to work to maintain safe operating conditions. Small habits during the summer months help reduce that load and support long-term hybrid battery health.